Thank you for joining me. I'm Juan, lead trader and founder of ProsperiTrade. In this 1-minute video lesson, we're going to discuss market order versus limit order. So a market order is when you buy or sell an asset at the current price, and the limit order is setting a specific price for that same asset or any asset. So let's look at the level 2 example that we looked at yesterday. The price here is between 175.26 and 175.38. A limit order you can set for, let's say, 175.30, and if the bid drops to 175.30, your order will be filled. But if you hit a market order, it'll hit the first order that's available, which is the 175.38. It's a higher price. Both have pros and cons. Thank you for joining me in this 1-minute lesson. See you in the next 1-minute lesson.